My people, I don't show again. To handle the issues where parents don't they complain to me about, majorly issues where have to do with screen time. Some parents don't tell me say their children they are addicted to TV. Some say their children they are addicted to their mobile phones or their tablet. It don't reach point where if you don't give them, they go cry, you go worry them, they no go even eat safe. Calm down, no be issue. Wetin you suppose understand as parents so that you go help your children regulate screen time. Now wetin we go discuss today be that. If you dey meet me for the first time, my name na Ade Jones. I be parenting coach and therapist. But for my zone, I be full-time house husband. Make we no too blow plenty grammar. Make we go straight to the point. Oyibo man talk say if problem dey, e no go good make dem throw away the bath water and the baby. No be so? Wetin that mean be say, see, we dey time wey mobile phones, tablet, internet, TV dey necessary for pikin life. As a matter of fact, their life don dey around these gadgets. So, we no fit talk say we no go allow children use this gadget. No, now we go even dey deprive them of wetin the learning wey they suppose get from this gadget. So na necessary gadget. The time wey we dey now, these gadgets go play role for their life. So wetin we suppose understand about how to help children regulate screen time. Three perspectives wey dey wey we suppose understand. The first perspective be say, who dey in charge? Na you the parent or na the pikin? Who expose the pikin to the gadget? The gadget fall from heaven, abi na the parent buy and bring am for the house? Who start to dey give pikin this gadget? Na pikin carry am by himself, abi na the parent give am? So the first thing wey I wan make you understand be say, as a parent, make you take responsibility. Look yourself for mirror, tell yourself say, kai, me sef I no try. Maybe I overexpose this pikin to gadget, and then im don make this pikin to dey always dey, so tight and glued to the gadget. Now I understand say, for some parents, if the children dey watch TV or then they watch cartoon or then they use your phone play game, it go give you time to do other things. I know that one. Some parents, because of how overwhelming the parenting journey fit be, now that thing dey help them babysit their pikin. It is well with us. Na the phone or na the TV dey help babysit the pikin. I know say that one na time, no be so. But the first thing we suppose do be say, make you take responsibility. Say, because of some oversight, your pikin dey attached to TV or they attached to phone or they attached to tablet or to other gadgets, which that no mean say na helpless situation. Secondly, make you ask yourself, this gadget, why my children dey use am? Why my children dey use am? Did they use am to learn, or then they use am to socialize, or then just they use am because of say you no want make dem disturb you? The reason why then they use this gadget dey very important. If na to learn, we know say that one dey necessary for their growth. If na to socialize, that one sef dey. However, if you dey use am say because of say you no wan make dem disturb you, small problem fit dey there o, because dem go dey so glued to wetin they dey watch, and then you no even fit vet wetin they dey watch. See, plenty things now dey happen wey as parents you suppose dey watchful. The kind program wey pikin dey watch now, see, no be wetin mouth fit talk o, no be wetin mouth fit talk. The kind narrative wey the pikin dey learn, You know the program wey the pikin dey watch, you know wetin the pikin dey watch, you know wetin the pikin dey learn, you know wetin the pikin dey do. If you know the reason why your pikin dey exposed to gadget, you go know wetin your pikin dey learn, and then you go know how you go carry regulate wetin your pikin dey watch. Shey you dey feel me? So make you sit down ask yourself, why my pikin dey exposed to this gadget? Then the third thing wey you suppose understand now as parents be say, how I go put structure, system and boundary to the gadgets wey my pikin dey use. Like I talk from the beginning, I said, you no fit stop your pikin, right? Because if you fit even deprive your pikin sef, these things dey necessary for the contemporary pikin. However, that no mean say make you allow pikin make just dey use am without regulation, without boundary. No, e no suppose. Pikin suppose get boundary. If no be so, to dey watch too much of screen, e go affect pikin sleep. E go make pikin dey addicted. Pikin no go know how to dey relate with human being face to face. You know say to dey watch things, e dey different from to dey relate for real life. Now when you relate for real life, you go develop social and relational stamina. You go know how to understand person emotional cues. You go know when person dey vex. You go know when the kind of play wey they do no suppose. You go know how to develop empathy towards person. But if you dey watch TV, if you dey watch screen, if they attached to gadget, you no go know how to decode these emotional signals. So it dey very important say parents put system and boundary. Wetin that mean say no be every time pikin go watch, no be when the pikin watch, and no be everything the pikin watch. So if you talk am say maybe weekdays pikin go watch for so hour, or if you want make your pikin dey watch every time, you go give specific hour so that pikin fit watch and then pikin fit go sleep in time. Or pikin, if you want use this gadget, you no go use am for your room, you go only use am for parlor. Or if you get work area, you go fit talk say okay, na for only work area you go dey use these things. Or you go talk say the only time wey una go fit watch TV or gadget or to dey play game na when una don dey on holiday. Every home gets her own peculiar ways wey dem go put system and structures and boundary in relation to gadget and then screen time. Sit down decide wetin go work for my family, wetin go work for my children, wetin be their age, right? Wetin they dey use all these gadgets for, so that we go fit augment am. Because true children need human relationship. Children need to dey play, children need to dey interact. If na only you dey, I know say e no go easy. You go come from work, you don tire, na you go cook, so you no go even get any small time where you go emotionally and physically connect with your children and create time. If you no go dey, make them connect with themselves, make them connect with neighbors, make them go play outside, make your partner even come augment that time, so that they no go dey so much attached to screen time. One more thing, make you look yourself very well. How you dey use screen time? You dey attached to am? Of course, the reason go dey now. Make you communicate this reason to your children. If your work dey online, make you let your children know say, or make you let your family know say your work dey online, and then that's why you dey always dey online. But that no mean say because of say you dey work online, you no go give them time. And that no mean say because you dey work online, you no go get boundary. No, now boundary suppose dey. You sef, you no go work from morning till the next morning. You go get time to rest, you go get time to connect with your children, you go get time to connect with your partner, you go get time to equally play with the children. So that one dey key. Now the 3 steps wey you suppose to know on how to help children regulate screen time. Make you take responsibility say if the children dey access to am, you get role to play. Secondly, why the children need this gadget? At this age where they need tablet, at this age they need to dey always dey in front of TV, or they need to dey play to develop emotional and social stamina. And then the third one, as we talk, be say make you put system, make you put boundary, make you put guidance, when they go use them, how long they go use them, where they go use them, why they go use them. That way e go reduce their too much dependence on these gadgets, and then it go allow them integrate their life to other social and then emotional relationship with themselves, their sibling, their parents, their friends, and even the environment where they dey, like they go play outside, so that they go develop emotionally, physically, and then mentally. So now wetin every parent suppose put into consideration be this: if you want to help your children get structured sense of to dey use screen time. I wan believe say this small point don make sense to you. If you get question wey I never answer, or I no address, ask am for the comment section. I go answer. If you never subscribe, subscribe, so that if I share another video, you go know say I don share video. If you like this content, you fit share am with your friends. E no go bad now. Make them learn wetin you don learn. Till we meet again now next time, as I bring other ogbonge information to the answer our parenting concerns. Once again, my name na Ade Jones. I be your parenting coach and therapist. Thank you.